had to get the sections of the plate plasma cut, which meant having to take the dross off the edge of the flap wheel. We also decided to take the corners off just so no one gouged out a testicle while walking past.
So because we have to join a piece of tube back together to get as much out of the lengths as possible, we've ground a 45-degree V with about a 1mm landing on the bottom all the way around so that we get a full penetration weld, so then we can grind the weld off flush without it reducing the strength of the tube. We've lined it up, it's clamped to a plate so it's lined up that direction. We've lined it up horizontally so that it's straight. We'll tack weld this and then we'll weld it up and grind off flush afterwards.
One thing all welding jobs have in common is a hell of a lot of tacking. And this had a fuck ton of tacking involved. To stop heat distortion lifting the plate away from the support braces, we added a few small layers of weld. While I was up there, we made 3 of these things. And even though we made 3 of these things, 3 times I managed to fail to film the fact that we welded feet on the bottom. So no, the legs aren't just tubes with gaping holes in the bottom of them, they actually have been finished off with feet. And quite cute little feet, if I don't say so myself. You could sell pictures of these feet to a pervert if you wanted to. And now that you've seen the welding table's cute little tootsies, we're done. It is a solid as hell workbench, and I will have it for the rest of my life, more than likely. If I can move it and take it with me. Anyway, quick game's a good game. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.